was nothing.
I thought I heard that when I went out to the garage. I can't believe it came back. You could feel that inside the house, dude.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna come back. Oh, I forgot. Oh, yeah.
Sweatshirt and some smokes.
Yeah, sounds good. I get a helicopter. There you go. There you go. No idea, because the blinky spot you can see in the phone is just a plane, which has been here for like a minute and you haven't heard that, but now you can hear the sound in the sky. I wish it was daylight out so the video would be clear, but sounds like it's right there.
That's like ringing my ears.
Yeah, it's so deep. instantly revved up. And there it goes.
There's no way it's a plane.
No way. Because look it, I'll turn right to here. Here's a plane. That's not even that far away.
Can't hear it.
No,
There's
not at all.
plane here.
Yep, another plane over here. Can't really hear it. But over here, magically up in the sky somewhere, is some jet we can't see, or something.
Something like it was only a couple 100 feet over the house.
Yeah, shit, I mean, we felt it inside the house. Hey, even over there's a low-flying airplane. You can see it's got its headlight on. Can't hear shit.
Not a thing.
I know my camera can pick up the sound of the vehicles. Here it comes again. I mean, it should be right there. It should.
It's cloaked.
It should be something so big and right over the house. I mean, that sounds like a jet in the neighbor's yard. Yeah, I mean, it sounds like we're like 100 feet from a plane taking off. And it's gone. Almost gone. You can kind of hear it.
It's like something's flying in a circle. You can't see it.
It's like something's hovering. Because it doesn't sound like it's getting far away. And when it revs up, it doesn't sound like it's getting closer.
Oh, it's just here.
Yeah. So you can still kind of hear it. The dogs definitely don't like it. It's fucking weird, goddammit. I don't fucking like it.
Don't make any goddamn sense.
Goddamn sense. See, look at, like, this here. Airplane. Can't hear shit. You can hear the car in the background, and you can't even hear that plane. And that's really not that far away.